This week we're going to be bringing you multiple videos. We're going to be sharing with you some of the latest motorcycle gear that you need to check out. I'm Jish and welcome back to the channel. And in this Pandomoto's new riding jeans. So Pandomoto have kindly sent me out a set of their latest jeans to test out. So these are the Boss DYN jeans, and they're such a nice dark, like worn almost denim look. And for a motorcycle jean, they are super soft and have such a kind of like a nice feel to them. Of course, there are lots of details on these, even down to their logo being embroidered into the actual denim itself. Being a motorcycle jean, they have to hit certain regs and targets to make sure they are super safe for riders. These are lined with a material called Cordura, and it is woven into the fabric to make them super strong and abrasion resistant. Not only that, they come with special insert armors for your hips and knees. These are super light and super bendy, so they can fit all shapes of your body in different positions and know you're going to be protected. So let's get them on and have a look. Now it is really difficult to get a video of yourself wearing jeans, but these are really, really nice. They feel so good. Like, I'm forgetting they are actually a motorcycle jean. So these are the kind of jeans that if you get off your bike, go to the pub, go shopping, you're gonna instantly forget that you're wearing cumbersome bike protected gear and you're just gonna be comfortable. And that's what all riders look for, is a bit of comfort with what they wear. And these definitely offer that. Not only that, they have a lot of functionality too, like this hoop right here to hook your keys or even a chain on for your wallet. Nice deep pockets, and this belt is a really nice thick leather that just hugs your body really nicely. So overall, these are really nice. Now bear in mind, I am a very slim guy. I am 5'9". I'm only a really slim waist, as you can see, but these are a 34 leg and I've had to roll them up at the bottom just to get them to the right length. But that's okay, because I tend to wear boots most of the time, and you can see these look all right with boots. You can find all the information down below if you're interested in these jeans. They have many other products on their website and all of them are a really good quality. I've done a few videos in the past with a jacket and some more jeans, so also I'll link those down below and you can check out those videos as well. But overall, these are super high quality, they're gonna last, and you're not gonna be disappointed with them. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you thought about the gear we showed in this video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Shout out to all my Patreons out there. Thank you for supporting. It really helps the channel grow.